It's a lot easier than you think to replace a lot of the time you spend on your phone doing other better things that you want to do. I would be on my phone so much that when the week ended, I would get this notification on my phone. It was like, you averaged 42% less screen time than last week with an average of 11 hours and 36 minutes a day. Literally. 11 hours and 36 minutes a day when I don't know how long we are awake for, 24 minus 7 minus 8. And basically, if I was awake, I was on my phone. But when I started to not use my phone when I'm awake, I get a lot more done. I feel so much better. And it's surprisingly easy to stay like this now. Just because I changed a few things about my phone, which I'm about to tell you too. But before I changed anything on my phone, what was my phone itself actually like? There was a lot of bright screens. I had custom lock screens, home screens, icons, colors, flashing lights all over my phone. There was so much stimulation, dopamine, all these smooth transitions from opening and closing my phone. Literally every little detail of my phone was modified so it felt cool, it felt attractive. I had a bunch of apps open that I don't even use that much and that I spent way too much time on. My brightness was extremely high, colors everywhere, so my screen time was extremely high because my phone was just this instant candy I can always eat, and I wouldn't feel bad only after I turned off the phone finally, but then it would just be time to go to sleep and I'd completely forget about it. So living like this, several days, months, even years passed, and I didn't do much. I wasn't getting better in life. I was getting worse. And sooner I just realized that all I had to do was change a few things with my phone. It would have saved me so much time. So I really hope you can take this seriously. Watch this video for a few more minutes and actually get something out of this YouTube platform. So the first thing I realized with my phone is that there's too many colors. I completely changed my phone so it's black and white. All my home screens are just black. It's just a black thing. I know it might sound boring. It might sound kind of sad, depressing, but really just opening my phone, it's just a black screen. There's no reason for me to check my phone. So I lessened the colors and I lessened the apps. I only have the essential apps on my phone, and I delete the apps I keep spending too much unnecessary time on. So many times I would just delete social media off my phone. I'd delete the Google Chrome app off my phone so I wouldn't use it to search up YouTube and then watch videos like that. I'd grayscale my phone, and during the night I'd turn on red light so there isn't blue light stimulating my eyes. It's darker, warmer colors, lowering my brightness also. And as a result, when you do all those little things which take less than 5 minutes to do, my screen time lowered by hours. Imagine I got that same notification at the end of the week saying my screen time. It would be like, you averaged less than 5,000% with an average of 36 minutes a day, something like that. That is crazy. From going from 11 hours and 36 minutes to 36 minutes, you have 11 hours to do whatever you want in your life. You can just go outside on a nice day like this. Enjoy the sun while you still can. You can do anything. The amount of time that I have to do stuff, and now I only really go on my phone when I need to, when there's a reason to. I ask myself, why do I need to go on my phone? Use my phone with more of a purpose. You might hear that my voice is a little messed up. It's lost because I lost it during a sports game. I've been playing sports. I've been doing a lot more interesting things in my life. Making these videos, talking to you right now. Oh, the sun is just amazing right now. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I'm outside right now. I only use my phone when I need to. If I want to text someone, call someone, take a picture of something, I don't just go on my phone when I'm bored. I don't know what to do. I embrace the discomfort of not being on a phone and actually having to face the problem right on, that I don't know what to do, that I don't know if I'm with people. I don't just go on my phone. I try not to. I basically made it almost impossible for me to waste time on my phone. So try doing these few things, and hope you can think about this video more and don't just watch another video, forget about this, and then build up that screen time even more. And then before you know it, you look at your screen time again and it's 11 hours. I don't want that to happen. I know you can do a lot better than that. So hope you can think about this. Peace.